Bet you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sab's Glam Beauty. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a quick and easy everyday bath bomb at home. We will be using some citric acid, and I will be using starch, and last but not least, some baking soda. Okay, I'm gonna start off with my baking soda first. I am gonna be using 1 cup of baking soda. How you guys doing? In a long time, I've been really missing action, guys, but I have a surprise for y'all. Okay, I will be doing a video on that surprise. I've been working on a lot of stuff behind the scenes, so I am going to be taking 1 cup of cornstarch. I'm mixing it up properly and very well. The next thing we will be adding is our wet ingredients. I'm gonna be using half a cup of grapeseed oil. Let's go. You can stop right here and maybe add your rose petals, lavender buds, or any flower that you want to add in here, and use your mold and get all those beautiful designs and all of that. This is where you stop, okay? But for me, I like to do the extra. What I don't like about the regular traditional bath bomb that anybody can make at home is the ring that this bath bomb leaves around the top after you use it. Okay, that residue, I don't like the oil, because all this oil that you put in here will definitely set on the top of your top when you put the water in. I don't like that. It doesn't look good at all. So what I like to do is, this is the only thing that I know a lot of people don't have at home. So I like adding my polysorbic 80. What a polysorbic 80 does is it helps with the oil and all. Like, it takes away the oil, no ring around your top. Like, you're not gonna see the oil. This will help make the oil go away. So this is why I like to use it, okay? So I'm gonna be using this cup, and I'm gonna be measuring out 10 milliliters of polysorbic 80. So there's the only thing, like I said, I will be adding into this batter, okay? Keep mixing. Now you've resolved the whole ring around your top. That's the only ugly part about just making a regular bath bomb. Mix it well. Make sure all the clumps that you have in here, like, do it like this, mash it in so it can mix good, because if it doesn't mix good, you will see the oil still floating on top of your water or whatsoever you use this bath bomb. Now it's time to get to the fun part. The consistency that you're looking for should look something like this, like a wet sand. You see how it is? You can see that it's a little wet, but it's not sticking together, okay? Until I go like so, and I do this. See? Okay. All right. We'll start out with the first part. For the jasmine one, I'm gonna be using honeysuckle jasmine. I'm just gonna be adding a few drops of fragrance oil in this. I'm not measuring it in no particular order. You can use any scent of your choice. I'm using it because I'm gonna have some fun using this. Okay. I'm still thinking if I should color it or not, but yep, I'm still thinking. I'm gonna add 3, 4, 5 drops in it, and that's it, just to change the color for it to look like jasmine a little bit. Oops, I think I went overboard. It's gonna be super yellow. Oh no, it's gonna give that pastel yellow, which is not bad for a jasmine, baby. So guys, I'm gonna be using this. I wanted to do multiple colors, but I wasn't thinking. So maybe at the end, I will do like different colors and stuff. Let's smoosh this up the right way.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say to everybody who wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like,
You see this?
no, it's special, just going to the store.
Oh my God, I love it. Okay, this is a beautiful heart. Moving on to the second batch, okay? Now for this one, I will be using some lavender in it.
Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
Again, I'm gonna add some lavender buds. It is so cute. I want to mix both the lavender and the jasmine together. But while I'm at it, because I took so much time, I'm going to be using my 99% alcohol on it, like that, just to get it a little bit wet.
Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is on a roll. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play.
I'm going to be using some rose petals. I think I want to use some dyes. Yeah, I'll use some light pink dye.
Not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
It's time for fragrance. I'm going to be adding a blend of fragrance that I put together myself. I love the scent. It's really, really big, and I'm not a fan of the size, but it is what it is. Okay. So yes, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll talk to you in the next ones. Peace out, and I love you. Bye bye.
I had a dream last night